Really good. Actually, that's my favorite mod yet, bro.
Welcome back, Modified Crew. I'm your daily driver. Yes, your daily driver, Mark Herman. And today we are on the $2,200 FRS yet again, guys. So we got our front lip on, we got our side skirts on, and we have a third part. I need to go get a box, so give me 1 second. Hopefully that's not breakable. Let's go ahead and see what's in there. Let's cut it open. I'm trying to duck out from the sun here. Let's go and open this bad boy. Trusty key knife again. Always have it. Yes. What do we got here? All right, so these are called rear aprons, and these will carry on the look back of the car. Yeah, that's the outside, right? It's kind of like the side skirt, but it carries on to the back of the car. And the thing is, these aren't polyurethane. These are plastic. Yeah. Get up in here. So if you look closely, you see inconsistencies as far as color, right? It looks like it was painted here, but not here. I just want to make sure you guys were aware of it. So as far as mounting hardware goes, we get 2 clips, 2 Tenderman nuts or panel nuts, 2 screws. We got like an adhesive, like lip type thing. I don't know what that is. And then we got the fake 3M foam tape again. This one feels different. Let's run with it. Let's do this, guys. We're gonna go install them right now. All right, guys, I was curious when my luck's gonna finally run out on these eBay purchases. All right, check this quality out, right? Look at that fitment, guys. Ooh, that is horrible, guys. Oh my goodness. Like, I can't believe these people stay in business. And I'm like, okay, maybe the right side's gonna be like kinda junky. If the left side works, I might keep it and use it. But I take the left side and look at that fitment, guys. Like, you swear it wasn't even for the same car. This is just ridiculous. Anyways, I'm all down for doing things on a budget, but I am returning these bad boys because these are downright junk. With that being said, I need to go reach in the box pile and grab something else and strap it on this bad boy because I'm not putting these on the car today. So let's go see what we can dig up. I'm so tempted just to throw these in the trash, but I want my money back. I'm not getting ripped off for these. Jeez. All right, let's go get that other part. All right, let's try this again, friends. All right, big jug O Windex, right? Boom. Give you a big old guess why we need this bad boy. Well, it's for these bad boys. Let's go and see what we got. Oh, stabbed myself. I'm sure you guys saw that coming with the way I was fiddling. Okay. Okay, so this is the box the window louvers came in. And let's see what we got here. I've always wanted to buy a pair of these. Normally I think they look tacky, but I've seen them on the FRS. And I think that they look pretty good. Packaging looks real professional, especially since I know I didn't pay a lot for these. It looks like something that you would have of a higher quality product. Oh yeah, those look good. Those look real good. I can't wait to see these on the car. So initial inspection, they're ABS plastic, right? They look real good, real professional. Everything looks uniform. Everything looks of very high quality. Straight from China, because look at the writing on there, and it's like handwritten Chinese, whatever. If any of my speakers can read this, I don't know if it's Chinese or whatever, Mandarin. Anyways, if anybody could translate that and let me know what it says, I am highly curious, but let's go ahead and get moving on. All right, so both products look really good. I'm super happy that I bought these and I didn't pay the price for like super expensive ones. Let's go ahead and get them installed on the car and see what we got. Yeah, I forgot to let you guys know. We got our fake 3M tape making an appearance. This time I really was hoping that it would be real 3M tape because these are only held on by this tape. So this tape better do a good job, otherwise I'm gonna be pissed, because we do not want a window louver flying off of our car when we're driving at however fast we want to drive. Let's get mounting these bad boys now. I'm gonna clean this up real good to make sure we do not have any reason for these to fall off. And I'm littering. Throw these away because I have confidence in these products. I'm cleaning all this up. Yeah, buddy. FRS, you're a dirty girl. It's gonna rain on Sunday, so I can't wash her because it'd be pointless, but soon enough after the rain dies down, I will definitely wash her, guys, because she needs the love. All right, we got the whole area cleaned up. Ignore my texts. I'm quite popular today. Let those bad boys dry. Here's a side profile of the car beforehand. I guess that's a back quarter shot. Here's the front quarter. Bam. Let's go and hold this side skirt. Well, not side skirt. Louver on. Oh yeah, I think that looks bad. That looks awesome, guys. So it blocks the whole quarter window, but not at the expense at a lot of added drag. So let's say if it was mounted this way, I would not like that, because then it's just sucking air and creating a bunch of drag for no reason. So let's get the foam tape on this bad boy and get it mounted. All right, we got our fake 3M foam tape, and it actually feels pretty sticky, so hopefully that's a good sign. And let's just stick this on real quick. Just stuck the 3M tape all along the outer edge, right? Or the fake 3M tape. And now I'm just peeling off the double-sided whatever. See if we can get this straight. Oh no. Boom. Oh, yes! Let's get this on here good, guys. Oh yeah, that looks good. I think that really matches the look of the car. I know I'm probably gonna get mixed reviews, guys, but I think that it looks good. I'm super happy with these. Fitment great, quality great. Feels like it's not gonna come off. But yeah, oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this purchase. I don't know what I spent. It's gonna be right here. Whatever it was worth every penny. High quality, great fitment. You would have swore I spent a lot more than I really did. With that being said, I'm gonna go and install the other one. All right guys, a good idea would be also wipe down your part before you stick down your tape. You could just straight up call me Knight Rider. Call my car Kit. I'm doing this one-handed. Don't judge me. You don't know my life. All right, ooh, that's on. Here's how it looks kind of from the back, directly from the side, towards the front. Now I know some of you guys are like, Mark, you're just strapping on junk to your car. Well, this is a budget project car that allows me to do the things that I've kind of always secretly wanted to do. I know some of you guys secretly want some louvers on your windows, but you're like, ooh, I don't want to be cheesy. I don't want to look dumb doing it. Well, it is definitely a part I would buy again. Super happy with it. Would I put on other cars? I don't know. It has to go with the body style. Like if you're throwing it on a Honda Civic, I don't think so. But I think the FRS has the body lines or the aggressiveness, especially with my sweet lip, my sweet side skirts, to pull it off. Someone's honking, interrupting my video. I think they're done. The stunners, bro. So here's the deal, brother. Yes. All right, this is my brother Big Beard, Captain Big Beard. All right, I want you to follow me to my ride, my sweet whip, and tell me if it's a yay or a nay. All right, tell me if you notice the mod.
I super dig that, dude. A 10 for this car, bro.
Right? What do you think about window louvers on a Honda Civic?
No thank you.
I'm a Honda Civic fan, guys. I grew up JDM, so Honda's in my blood as well. So for me to say that that is a big thing, it's just certain cars can't pull off window louvers, and I think that the FRS can.
Yeah, I'm actually super impressed. This looks really nice, dude.
2 for 2 of my own harshest critics, ourselves. And I will see you guys on the next video. I appreciate it. And would you like to add anything, Big Beard? Captain Big Beard, I want a bird's eye view.
Blah, blah, blah.
Bringing it back. It's been real.
Turn the other cheek, bro.
I hope you guys enjoyed the vid. I'll see you on the next one.
Blah, blah, blah.